Hello everyone. Today we will be making a DIY on a unicorn centerpiece, which is great if y'all have an upcoming birthday party that has to do with the unicorn theme. Okay, so we will be using the glass cylinders that I use from the Dollar Tree, and you can get these for $1. Okay. And then we will also be using some tulle. I have the pink one, the mint one, the gold one, and the purple one. So we're gonna be using these 4 colors for our tutu. Now, when I'm cutting it, you know that I use the cardboard. Y'all seen my past tutorials. I use the cardboard because it makes it a little bit easier where you don't have to be cutting them individually, but you can cut them all at once. And you kind of just measure your cardboard. And let me go ahead and show you how to do it. Let's do it with the matte one. So you're just going to go like this, and then just go all around it. And then when you get the amount that you want, then you just cut it with your scissors. I'm cutting this one, but you're gonna cut the top of it. And then you'll get it all at once. Okay. So here I have one piece. I'm gonna call my grandson, see if he can come and help me. Also, now when you will be also needing this little elastic. It's like a little rubber elastic, and you can you know, figure out the size, and then you cut it, and then you can glue it or you can sew it. Okay, you're not gonna glue it to this, you're gonna glue it like this, and then you can start putting your tutu all around it once you sew it or you glue it. And I've already started on this one. See how pretty it is, and the more you put, the fuller it will be. I'm gonna call my grandson. Excuse me. AJ, can you come help me real quick? Okay, so see, this is the way it's going to look. It's gonna be really full. Yeah. Mijo, will you give me the scissors and that round ball right there, please? Thank you. And then that ball right there. Thank you. Okay, and then this ball, I got it at Michael's. You can get it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then I spray painted it an ivory color. You can't see it too good because of the lightning, but it is not white. Originally it was white, but now it's ivory because I spray painted it. And then on here you will want to glue it if you want to secure your tutu. And then you can put you can even put flowers around here if you want. And then this is your little, and then you can glue your little ball to the base. And this is very, very simple to make. And I ordered this. I kind of like it. And I ordered this, and then you can glue it on top. Isn't it cute? You can also, a lot of people make it, you know, they can sketch these and then you can make it. But I decided to go ahead and just order it. Okay. Wait a couple of seconds where it can kind of dry. And I think I'm going to go ahead and glue I wasn't going to glue it because I might want to use this here later on, but I'll go ahead. Okay, there we go. This would be cute for any party. The center, you know, for the tables. And then I also I'll have to call my grandson again because I can't find the little eyes. Oh, there they are. I can't see it because it was so dark. And then you can also order the eyes or the eyelashes, and then you put them right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around because I can't see. And then you can just glue it with your glue gun. I think this one you can glue it where it can come down. Let me try it. A lot of glue. Yeah. Glue it where it can kind of come down. Well, it's gonna take a couple of seconds for it to stay. But it's coming apart. I'll do this. Be careful you don't burn yourself. Just burn myself. Oh. So you'll probably have to like kind of hold it for a couple, for probably like for a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the eyes, glue the eyes in there. Do they go down? Okay. Y'all kind of get the idea of how it's going to look once it's all done. Isn't it cute? Probably could have put the eyes a little bit more lower, but this is it. And it was so simple to make. I think the hardest, I mean, the part that takes the longest is when you're cutting, when you're putting this in that elastic rubber band thing. But other than that, it is so easy to make. And if y'all have any questions, please feel free to ask. And I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will notify you when all my incoming